Hey guys, it's me Clint from Celica.org. Today I am trying to get my HID leveler to work, and I've been having a really hard time trying to get this to work. For some reason, I don't know, when it's on the car, I guess the wiring's mixed up somehow, so it's not working. But I did take everything off the car and manually test it. So what you use to test it is I used a fusible inline fuse, and this goes to the battery, and it goes to this one right here of the motor, the left one, this green wire. So, and this one right here, that goes to the ground, and this one right here goes to the signal wire, which is on the switch. So that's the switch right there. And for the switch, you have the wires up top. I'll show it right here. The two middle ones are the signal wire. The top ones are the ground, and the two bottom ones are for power. Like a little bug flying around or walking around. Okay, so we hook up the 12 volt separate line to the battery, and the ground to the ground of the car, and then the signal wire to this one, as I showed you guys before. And in this, at this time, you'll see a little light on inside. Oh shit. Yeah, you guys gotta be careful there, because electricity can kill you. Anyways, so you're gonna, that works. So off the car. That's number 5. Let me go lower. Then go back up. So hopefully, I'm going to try to get this back on the car, and hopefully it would work, because this whole last week I've been having a really hard time trying to get this to work. I think, oh, this is the cover, by the way, the cover that I took off from here. You open it up by, there's these little clips at the bottom, and just push them in and release them. Before you guys put this on the car, I would definitely run this test first to make sure that your motor works and everything. And once it does work, it's just a matter of wiring it into the car. So you don't want to do what I did and put everything together, put it on the car, and then flip the switch and see that nothing works. Hey, quick update for you guys. I did manage to get them to work, and what was wrong was that the wiring diagram on New Celica was wrong. The number 2, it said that it was voltage, but it's supposed to be voltage that goes to the switch, not 12 volt power. But I'll have the wiring diagram color code somewhere around here on the screen, and both for the passenger and driver side. So let me guys show you real quick. there's your settings. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will flip it and you can see them working. So check it out. So there you have it. It goes both up and down in all five settings. Hey guys, here's a video from it outside. This is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.